whip your ass. Hell yeah, we're gonna whip your ass. Hell yeah, we're gonna whip your ass. Red, white, and blue again. You can start at that, hide with us, and we'll tell you how it ends. It goes, hell yeah, we're gonna whip your ass. Red, white, and blue again.
Gonna roll up on our embassy and come after our men. Put down America and the freedom they defend.
You wanna put down our president and spread all your fake news. We'll put your address in a GPS and then drop the sky on you. 'Cause hell yeah, we're gonna whip your ass. Hell yeah, we're gonna whip your ass. Hell yeah, we're gonna whip your ass. Red, white, and blue again. You can start it right, hide with us, and we'll tell you how it ends. It goes, hell yeah, we're gonna whip your ass. Red, white, and blue again. So you think it's cute to burn our flag and threaten World War III? Well, your ass will be ash before they broadcast the feed. Better take all your sleeper cells and find yourself a cave, 'cause liberty's